Hey, welcome back. In today's video we will talk about Power BI frontend and backend. So in this video you will be able to see the difference between those two and what each of these contains. Basically, to be able to show you the difference, I will first import some data. So to import data we have several options. We can click on Get Data here, and also we can choose data from here. We can also get from another data source, but in this case let's click on Get Data and we will be able to see some default options. I'm going to click on More, and then we will be able to see all connectors that we have in Power BI. In this All section, I'm going to choose Text CSV. Later in this course, you will be able to see all other data connectors that we have in Power BI. But for now, let's import data from CSV. Let's click on Connect. Now I will choose specific CSV file. Let's use this location, for example, and let's click on Open. Great, now what we have here? We have name of our file. Basically, this is CSV file. Delimiter is comma. We can choose the delimiter, but basically in this case it's correctly chosen. And also number of rows displayed. In this case we have only 10 rows, so basically this is not useful for us in this situation. And now what we can do with this? We can click on Load, and basically then we will be loading data into Power BI directly. If we click on Transform Data, then we will go to Power BI Backend tool. So let's click on Transform Data. As you can see, now we have new window opened, and basically this is Power Query Editor. This is actually Power BI backend tool. So basically in this tool you will be able to transform, clean the data, and then to import it directly into Power BI. Later we will cover all these tools that we have for data transformation, adding new columns, and so on. For you it's important to know that we have this Power Query Editor, and basically that's our Power BI backend. If I click on Close and Apply, we will be able to see our data imported. If you check right hand side here, if you click on Location, basically this is our table with our columns that we have in the data source. Perfect. Now that we have seen Power BI backend, what is actually Power BI frontend? Basically that's everything that we have now in front of us. This is report view. We also have table view. So in this table view, if we choose specific table, we will be able to see the data in that table. It's our location ID, region, city, country, and continent. If we add more tables here, we will be able to see all of them there. Third one is model view. And why is that important? Basically, this is our data model here. When we import more tables, we will be able to connect them and to create a relationship between them. So basically, everything here is Power BI frontend. Model view, table view, and report view. One more important tool in Power BI frontend is creating measures. So basically, if you click, for example, on this new measure, you will be able to create some specific measures from data that we have here. This is similar to what we have in Excel. So basically, you can create your own functions, you can present data differently, filter it, and so on. Okay, with this, I'm going to conclude this video. Thank you for watching.